Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to delete your account on the Shein app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you're signed in to your account. By opening the Shein application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile that says Me, and then click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the Setting option, which is represented by a gear arc, and click on it. Clicking on the Setting option will open a drop-down menu in which you will go down to the option Manage My Account and click on it. The application will open a new page where you will find the option Delete Account in the drop-down menu and click on it. When the next page opens, the Shein application will explain in detail what will happen, but it will not just allow you to delete your account, but will let you apply to delete account. In order to do that, you just need to click on the field that says Apply to delete account and a request will be sent. Note that this action is usually permanent, so make sure you want to delete your account before proceeding. Remember, this process is usually irreversible, so trust yourself that this is what you want to do. So that's basically how you can delete your account on the Shein app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.